Gaslighting is a manipulative tactic where someone tries to make another person doubt their sanity or memory, typically to control or deceive them for personal gain.
If you're looking to blow up on Instagram or YouTube, you should jump on this opportunity ASAP. The niche I'm about to reveal is pretty untapped, so it's smart to get it before it becomes crowded. This straightforward approach will help you rack up more than 2,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks. So let's dive in. The niche I'm talking about is dark psychology. Check out this example channel. It has only like 50 short videos and boasts around more than 300,000 subscribers, and it's already monetized. Now you can see how valuable this niche can be. I'll guide you through the process of making videos like this using AI. First, we need to come up with a name for the channel, and ChatGPT is perfect for that. Let's ask, give me 10 name ideas for a dark psychology YouTube channel, and check out these awesome suggestions. I'm really into this name and I think I'll go with that one. Next up, we need a logo and a banner for our channel. I'm planning to use Leonardo AI for this. It's a free art generator, kind of like a Midjourney but super user friendly. By free I mean you will get unlimited free credits for a month. Look at all these images. Let's pick one and hit generate with this model. Now just choose the right size from the side menu and decide how many versions you want. Then type in your prompt and click generate. That's how you can whip up a logo for your channel. By changing different features, you can come up with lots of logo ideas. If you're not happy with the results you got, feel free to change the prompt and give it another shot. Make sure to pick an eye-catching image. Now we need to whip up a banner. Let's jump into Canva and get started. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. Click on Create Design and choose YouTube banner. This banner should be simple and clean. In the side menu, you will find tons of templates. Let's pick one that fits our niche and customize it. I'm going to go with this one. We can get rid of the unnecessary elements, so let's delete those and change the title to Dark Psychology. I'll also add a new background image. Head over to the Elements section and search for any image you like. I'm going to choose a darker background like this. And now I think that'll do the trick, and let's download it. The next thing we need to do is create the videos. We should start by writing a script. Here's how you can do it. First, let's search for articles on dark psychology using Google. Once you find a good one, copy the section you want, and then we can ask ChatGPT to change it a bit to avoid any copyright issues. Just say, rewrite this paragraph and paste the part you selected. ChatGPT will handle the rest in no time. Now you can use that without any worries. The next step is to create voiceovers. We'll stick with 11 Labs for this. If you don't have an account, just sign up for free. After that, pick an AI voice that fits. I suggest going with deeper tones. Once you choose the voice, paste the script we got from ChatGPT and hit generate. It will create your voiceover in just few seconds. And now we are all set with the voiceover. Next, we need to find some fitting images for the video background. For this, again, I'll use Leonardo AI just like before. Choose a suitable model and use the same prompt. Make sure the images match the script since we are focusing on dark psychology. We need visuals that convey manipulation and darker themes. If you want different result, feel free to change the prompt. We'll need about 6 to 8 images. After generating them, download the ones you like the best, and now we have everything we need to put our video together. And now I'm planning to use CapCut for editing these videos. It's a free video editing tool that you can easily download on your mobile device or computer. To get started, create a new project and click on the Modify button here. You can change the project name and adjust the settings. Make sure to select the appropriate size for short videos, which is 9:16 aspect ratio. Once that's done, import all your voiceovers and images, and then you can start by dragging the voiceover onto the timeline. Then layer the images on top of them like this. Don't forget to resize the images to fit the video dimension. You can add images one after another, and having more images will enhance the overall quality of your content because more images means more engagement. After you have included all the images, it's time to add some cool transitions. Head over to the top menu and find the transition section to pick out some cool transitions. I'm really into this glitch transition effect. Make sure to add those transitions between all your images. Once that's done, let's spice things up with some video effect. Just click on the effect option in the top menu and explore the tons of effects available. Have fun experimenting with them, make your video edit pop. Since all these are static images, adding various video effects will totally change the vibe for viewers. So don't hold back on adding more. Next up, we need to throw in some captions. CapCut has this awesome feature that can automatically create captions for you. Just go to the text section and choose auto captions and then pick English as your language and hit generate. It will add the captions in no time and you can change them however you like. I usually make the text bigger and switch up the fonts. Get creative with this text editing. I suggest going for bold fonts and simple colors. Once you are happy with that, you can also add some text animation. Just click on animation in the side menu and choose a simple one. Remember to select all captions first before applying the animation. And now moving on, we need to add some background music to the video. Check out pixabay.com. It's a great free source for all kinds of music and sound. Just head over there and download some fitting background tunes. After that, drop it into your timeline like this and don't forget to lower the volume a bit. Once that's done, we are done with the video creation process. You can export your video from CapCut and start uploading it to your channel.
Gaslighting is a manipulative tactic where someone tries to make another person doubt their sanity or memory, typically to control or deceive them for personal gain. This behavior is especially damaging because it can be subtle at first, making it difficult to detect until it becomes a significant problem. Suppose money disappears from your wallet and your roommate denies taking it, insisting you previously said you had no cash. When this pattern repeats, you may start to question your own memory, believing you're just forgetful about money. How to counter gaslighting? Try to trust your own perceptions and memories. If you feel uncertain, it can help to write things down or keep records of your actions to validate your experiences.
Aim to upload at least 4 videos a day because consistency is super important for success on YouTube. Here's a little secret. To boost your views and impressions, it's all about the keywords. Just follow this simple tip and watch your results improve. Check out your competitors who have more views than you and use their keywords in your videos too. So I hope this video helped you. If you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.